I'm Sabrina, and today we're going to be making a simple dress for a doll out of a trash bag. For this craft, you will be needing a ruler, a trash bag, or a grocery bag, about 30 inches of ribbon, and scissors. In an earlier video about how to make a simple dress for clothespin dolls, I had made a template out of tissue paper. And I had mentioned how when I was younger I used to make a lot of dresses for my dolls out of tissue paper and other things like that. However, for large sized dolls, tissue paper and other things like that tear really easily. So I decided to make a dress out of an old trash bag, or as I like to call it, a trash bag dress. While you can use a trash bag, like the clothespin doll, you can also make a paper template and use that paper template to make a dress out of fabric. This is the trash bag I'll be using, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut it into a flat piece of plastic. To flatten the plastic bag, I'm going to cut off the handles on top, cut off the seam on bottom, and then cut down the side of the bag. If you have a bag without logos, that's even better. However, I don't, so I will just be cutting off the logo part of the bag. And if you do this, make sure that the bag that you're left with is still about 28 inches wide. In the center of your plastic bag, you're going to be cutting a half oval for the neckline. It'll go down about 1.5 inches and it'll be about 5 inches wide. Keep in mind that you can always cut it deeper, but you can't cut it shallower. Then you'll be cutting in small X's for the armholes, and those will be 2.75 inches down from the top of the plastic and 3.5 inches out from the center. To cut the neckline, I'm going to fold the plastic in half so that it's symmetric. I'll be cutting an oval, but you can cut a V-neck or some other shape. I'm going to cut the X's out for the arms. I marked my plastic in dark ink so that you guys could see what I'm doing. However, when you do it, make sure that you don't, otherwise the ink might get onto your doll. Okay. You might find you need to make the armholes a little bigger. Again, wrap the dress around the back of the doll and use a ribbon to tie. Fluff out the skirt and adjust the bow until it looks about how you want it. Then figure out what adjustments you might want to make, which would include cutting the back shorter so that it's not a high-low but a flat all around, and moving the neckline further down or making the sleeves slightly wider. As you can see, I used my plastic dress to make a template for a fabric dress as well. The nice thing though about using plastic bags and paper is that you can try out all kinds of different necklines, off the shoulder, on the shoulder, high-low, flat all the way around, all those kinds of things. Have fun and have a nice day.